Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Jamaican Insider. This is your first time here, welcome. Big up yourself same way. Alright, so I'm here in Riddles. Just going to show you around. Stick and stay. So the road is a little bumpy, so at times I will cut the clip. So please bear that in mind. Enjoy the ride nonetheless. So I know some of you may be familiar with Riddles, but some, or maybe only a few, may know of these developments, especially this one on your right that we're approaching right now. This one was built this year, was completed this year. 2-bedroom, 1-bedroom, and I believe 3 bedrooms as well. And on the other side across the road is another one that is ongoing. Passing Queen Hill on our left. And that's Belvedere on our left. Not the sexy lady that we just passed. There are a few Jamaican entertainers who live in Riddles. Among them are Christopher Martin, Elephant Man, Lady Saw. Maybe there are more, but those are the 3 that I'm aware of. If you know of any other, please comment in the comment section below. You know, this is another development going up, another set of apartments by Lee's Flat. So while recording this video, I had to contend with the bumpy road and the sun. I actually woke up early to record this video. Please excuse the glare. hope you're enjoying the ride so far. Check out this view. So this area is called Lookout here in Riddles. Look at it. Here we're looking at Kingston. This is Mosquito Valley. Please don't ask me why it's called Mosquito Valley. But one thing's for sure, Jamaica has some interesting names. And Mosquito Valley is definitely one of them. Alright guys, I want to stop it here. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like if you did. Comment in the comment section what you liked about it. And if you have any feedback or any requests, please comment in the comment section below. Other than that, please subscribe if you haven't. Click the bell. Take care.